I usually like to be looking at the person I'm dealing with in court, but I do need you to take your hat off because we are in court.
I'll take my hat off for $500.
Well, then you can either take your hat off or be held in contempt of court.
That's wrong.
My name is Fernando Gonzalez, living man.
Very good.
I'm
And we already have an appearance of Mr.
the
Duffield.
exact same name.
In regard to the matter for motion to dismiss, Mr.
Your Honor?
Gonzalez.
Your Honor.
I did hear you identify yourself as Fernando Gonzalez. Thank you. Please proceed with your motion for dismissal.
I'm here representing my corporate fiction of the same name, and I'm here to motion.
Well, you're here as you're here as Fernando Gonzalez, because if you're not here as Fernando Gonzalez, I will have to issue a bench warrant for Fernando Gonzalez.
You and I both know I'm representing my corporate fiction, the all caps name.
Here's where the courtroom clash really takes shape. Gonzalez is relying on the idea that his legal identity is separate from his personal identity, but the judge makes it clear that argument isn't recognized as a basis for avoiding the case. The bigger question is, does repeating the same jurisdiction argument actually change the outcome, or is it simply delaying the inevitable?
You cannot do that. You cannot represent a party other than yourself, sir.
Well, then we got a problem.
You and I both know that. So, proceeding as Fernando Gonzalez, do you wish to address your motion for dismissal?
Yeah, I would like to challenge jurisdiction like you didn't. I'm here by special appearance to challenge jurisdiction and motion to dismiss for lack of jurisdiction. I mean, I've all but trademarked my corporate fiction name. You know, we're going to just have to do this again in 6 months once it's trademarked.
Well, that's not true. Your motion is dismissed and denied because it is not based on any actual recognized legal basis. So in regard to the trial,
I object to that.
Okay, that's fine. You can object. And upon receipt of your judgment, you can go ahead and file an appeal on that if you so choose. But we are proceeding. Mr. Duffy.
Did you ask the driver for their license and registration?
Yes, I did.
Did the driver provide you such documentation?
I got to object.
And that's
What is your objection?
He's labeling me a driver when he has no proof that I was transporting goods, services, or passengers for hire.
Your objection's overruled. Please proceed.
Thank you. Again, did he provide any the documentation that you requested?
When I asked for them, he said that he did not have them, and then he told me he wasn't driving.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I do have a question.
All right.
How did we get this far without establishing jurisdiction?
His jurisdiction is established by the Michigan Constitution. And
did you get the paperwork?
Duly recognized court of the state. I've already ruled on that motion, sir. If you wish to address it on appeal, you're welcome to do so. We do have a jurisdiction. Any further questions of this witness? Of this witness, do you have any questions of the witness?
Of this witness? No, I don't think I do. Other than who's the injured party here? I mean, I would like to cross-examine the injured party, not the police officer that wrote the ticket.
Okay, very good. Anything else you'd like to present, Mr. Gonzalez?
I would like to present the documents that I emailed you earlier with.
We've already established your motion for dismissal has been denied.
What about the other stuff?
On appeal? If you wish to address that on appeal, you're welcome to do so. I did receive your lien notice. I have no idea what that is supposed to mean. So anything else you'd like to present to the court?
Which question did you have on the document?
I don't have any questions on it.
Well, if you don't know what that document is, then maybe we should.
Well, the document, sir, the reason, well,
you're
I can tell you this.
When you don't have any.
Sir. Sir,
Your Honor,
the document.
We can't proceed.
We can't
proceed without jurisdiction.
All right, I have an idea, sir. You don't interrupt me, and I'll try not to interrupt you. So go ahead and make. If you've indicated that you didn't have any questions, and that's fine. I told you the reason that I in regard to that, the notice of lien you sent, it's a meaningless document from a legal point of view. All right? Anything
Okay.
else you'd like to
agree.
establish on the record?
Yeah, what about my
Okay,
FOIA
he has
request?
nothing further. You wish
Yes,
to
I
sum
do.
up any arguments you have?
I object.
Mr. Duffield.
You're not letting me proceed. You're not letting me defend
Sir,
myself.
you're not proceeding. You keep saying you want a motion for dismissal, but I've already
didn't say that.
directed that
I mean, I
that is
said it
denied.
But I asked you, did you read the FOIA request that I just sent you a while back?
Sir, no, I did not read a FOIA request because I haven't received one. So I can tell
sent
you,
one.
and not only that, that would be irrelevant to this proceeding.
How would you know without reading it first?
Anything further?
How would you know without reading it first?
Because a FOIA request in regard to this matter, we are talking about a trial for driving with license suspended. Do you have anything pertinent to that in regard to this trial?
Yeah, the FOIA request that I sent you. Pretty much takes
Anything
me out
other
of
than
your
that?
jurisdiction.
Sir, I am deeming that to be irrelevant. You can take that
Without
up on
reading it
appeal as
first?
well.
Without
You can take
reading
that
it
up on
first,
appeal
really?
as well. Well,
So
sir, we're on trial. You don't file things a moment before a trial and then expect the court to receive it. First of all, we didn't receive it. But in any event, sir, I've already
Well, I
made my
never
ruling.
even-
Do you
I
have,
never
sir?
con-
I'm not going to argue with you. The matter is that is disposed of. You can address it on
That's
appeal.
why we're here
Anything-
today, is to argue.
Sir,
Now, listen to
sir,
me.
you can
Your
address
Honor.
it on appeal.
Your
You can
Honor,
address it on appeal, sir.
you want to get out of this so bad, you don't even want to fight with me on this, or what? You're just
I don't
gonna
want to fight with you at all because that's nonsense. I don't want to fight with you. I have nothing against you, sir. I'm just asking you to proceed with pertinent information.
Well, how would you know if something's pertinent if you don't
Okay,
look at it?
that's enough. Any argument pertinent to the case, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yeah. I thought this case was squashed a long time ago, or else I would have prepared for trial, which I never even consented to last time I challenged jurisdiction. I should get more time to defend myself if this case is going to be going forward.
And now the entire strategy hits a wall. After years of this case being pending, the judge finds that the prosecution has proven its case beyond a reasonable doubt and delivers a guilty verdict. Whatever objections Gonzalez raised about jurisdiction or consent, the court has ruled, and the focus now shifts from arguments to the fines and fees that follow.
Without me being able to defend myself, that's not fair. I thought this case was squashed the moment I sent that ticket back with all rights reserved.
Well, that's
With 72 hours.
And, so that is,
you have nothing to
you've
base
known this
that on
case has
other than
been
your-
pending. This case has actually been pending since 2022.
That's not my fault.
Here,
I rescinded
well, that is
ticket
indeed your,
72 hours.
in any
So
event.
your guys'
I do find that the
fault for
people have proven their case
Honor-
beyond a reasonable doubt. Please, Ms. Card, go ahead and, well, okay, he stopped. I do find that he's guilty in this matter. Fines are $250, state costs $50, court costs $200, crime victim right fee of $75.
You don't have my consent on any of this.
And $150 in bench warrant fees.
And I want my bail back too.
That would be then a total of